Hello guys, in this video, we will compare FL Studio and Ableton Live in 2025, and I will help you decide which one suits your music production needs. So let's start with FL Studio. It is known for its pattern-based sequencing and user-friendly piano roll. FL Studio is favored by beatmakers, EDM producers, and those who love to experiment quickly. On the other hand, Ableton Live is known for its session view, real-time performance features, and powerful workflow for live looping, arrangement, and sound design. So let's dive into their key areas. Number 1, interface and workflow. FL Studio has a colorful, modular layout, and it is great for visually oriented users and beginners. Also, the drag and drop down workflow and channel rack make bit creation very intuitive. While Ableton is more minimal and grid-based, the session view allows launching clips in real time, which is a massive advantage during live shows. Number 2, their sound design and plugins. Both DAWs offer a solid set of tools. FL Studio includes plugins like Citrus, Harmor, and Flex, while Ableton offers wavetable, operator, and extensive audio effects for deep sound shaping. Number 3, their recording and mixing. FL Studio's mixer is versatile but often considered less intuitive for complex recording sessions, while Ableton offers a cleaner audio recording workflow, especially with its built-in effects change and automation lanes. Number 4, performance and CPU usage. FL Studio has become more efficient, but Ableton still holds the edge in stability and performance in live settings. Number 5 is their pricing and licensing. FL Studio offers lifetime free updates once purchased, while Ableton requires payment for major updates. This can make FL Studio more budget-friendly over time. So in short, choose FL Studio if you love making beats, prefer patterns, or want colorful and fast UI. And choose Ableton Live if you perform live, do experimental sound design, or want professional level arrangement tools. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.